Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asim Bala and today we are talking about ChatGPT. Creating a successful daily routine is not just about waking up early, it is about structuring your day in a way that boosts productivity, improve focus, and keep you motivated. A well-designed routine helps you stay consistent, achieve your goal faster, and minimize health balance between work and personal life. Here are the top 15 powerful questions you can ask ChatGPT to design a winning daily routine for success.
Hey there. Hope you're doing great. How can I help you today?
Hi ChatGPT, I have some question for you, and my first question is: what does a productive daily routine look like for some trying to achieve long-term success?
That's a great question. A productive daily routine for long term success usually includes a mix of focused work sessions, regular breaks, some form of physical activity, and time for personal growth and relaxation. The exact routine can vary from person to person, but it's all about consistency and making sure you're moving towards your goals each day.
Okay, great answer. And my next question is: can you help me create a custom daily routine based on my goals, hours, and habits?
Absolutely. I'd love to help with that. We can definitely tailor a routine that fits your specific goals, your work hours, and your personal habits. If you want, you can share a bit more about what your goals are, what kind of work hours you had, and any habits you'd like to incorporate, and we can craft something together.
Okay, my next question is: what are the most important morning habits successful people follow?
There are quite a few habits that can really help with personal growth and self development. Some of the key ones include setting clear goals, maintaining a consistent reading habit, practicing gratitude, staying physically active, and reflecting regularly on your progress. These habits can really add up over time and lead to meaningful growth.
Okay, great answer. And my next question is: what are the most important morning habits successful people follow?
Morning habits can really set the tone for a successful day. Some of the most important ones include waking up early to get a head start, having a morning routine that includes some form of physical activity, a healthy breakfast, some quiet time for reflection or meditation, and laying out your top priorities for the day. All of these help create a sense of structure and focus.
Okay, great answer. My next question is: how can I build a routine that increases focus and reduce distraction?
Building a routine that boosts focus and reduces distractions is definitely possible. A few tips include setting clear, specific goals for each work session, using techniques like the Pomodoro technique to break your work into intervals, minimizing digital distractions by turning off notifications, and creating a dedicated workspace. Also, regular breaks and a bit of mindfulness or meditation can really help maintain focus throughout the day.
Okay, my next question is: what time blocking schedule should be best for my personal and professional goals?
Time blocking can be a game changer. The best schedule really depends on your natural rhythms and your specific goals. A common approach is to allocate your most focused, high energy time blocks for your most important work tasks. For personal goals like fitness or hobbies, you can block time either early in the morning or in the evening, depending on what works best for you. It's all about creating a balanced routine that aligns with your priorities.
Okay, great answer. And the next question is: how should I plan my day to balance work, self-care, learning, to rest?
Balancing self learning with your daily routine is definitely achievable. Each day, even if it's just 30 minutes dedicated solely to learning. You can also integrate learning into other activities like listening to educational podcasts during your commute. The key is to keep it manageable and enjoyable so it doesn't feel like a chore.
Okay, great one. And my next question is, how can I stay consistent with my daily routine even when motivation is low?
Staying consistent during busy times can be a challenge, but it's definitely doable. One helpful strategy is to keep your routine flexible so that it can adapt to your schedule changes. Another tip is to prioritize the most important tasks and let go of the less critical ones when you're swamped. And of course, having a support system or accountability partner can really help you stay on track, even when things get hectic.
Okay, great answer. And my next question is, what are the best evening habit to prepare for a productive next day?
To set yourself up for a productive next day, some great evening habits include planning out your next day so you know exactly what to focus on, winding down with a relaxing routine that helps you disconnect from screens, and getting a good night's sleep, which is crucial for productivity. You can also spend a few minutes reflecting on what went well during the day and what you can improve so you start the next day with a clear mind.
Okay, my next question is, how can create a daily routine help me improve my physical and mental health?
A well designed daily routine can have a big impact on both physical and mental health. For physical health, incorporating regular exercise like a morning walk or some stretching can make a huge difference. For mental health, building in time for mindfulness practices like meditation or journaling can help keep stress at bay. Also, prioritizing a good sleep schedule, staying hydrated, and having moments of relaxation and social connection all contribute to help your happier you.
Okay, my next question is, how can I track my progress and refine my routine over time?
Tracking your progress is a great way to ensure your routine is working for you. You can keep a journal or use an app to log your daily activities, moods, and achievements. Regularly reviewing this data can help you see what's working and what might need adjustment. It's also helpful to set periodic check ins, maybe weekly or monthly, to reflect on your progress and make any tweaks. And of course, being flexible and kind to yourself during this process is key.
Okay, and my next question is, what are the top productive techniques like Pomodoro or deep work that I can add to my day?
There are some fantastic productivity techniques you can try out uh, besides the Pomodoro technique and deep work. You might like time blocking, where you dedicate specific blocks of time to certain tasks. The 2 minute rule is another great one, which says if something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. The Eisenhower matrix can help you prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. And then there's the 80/20 rule or Pareto principle, which helps you focus on the 20% of efforts that bring 80% of the results. Lots of options to experiment with.
Okay, great answer. And my next question is, how do I design a routine that avoids burnout while still keeping me productive?
Finding that balance is key. To avoid burnout, it's important to include regular breaks in your routine, like the Pomodoro technique suggests, and also make sure to have some downtime for relaxation and fun. Prioritizing sleep and maintaining a healthy work life balance is crucial. You can also try to incorporate some flexibility in your routine so that you can adjust as needed. And don't forget to celebrate small wins along the way to keep yourself motivated.
Okay, great answer. And my last question is, how can I create a daily routine that aligns with my goal and keep me motivated long term?
To create a routine that keeps you motivated long term, it's important to set clear, meaningful goals that resonate with you and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Make sure to celebrate those small milestones along the way to keep your spirits high. Also, try to align your routine with your natural rhythms and preferences so it feels sustainable. And Don't forget to include activities that bring you joy and help you recharge. Regularly reviewing and tweaking your routine will also keep it fresh and aligned with your evolving goals.
Okay, thank you. A daily routine is not just a schedule, it is your personal roadmap to success. By asking the right question and making small improvements every day, you can build a routine that strengthens your discipline, boosts your productivity, and move you close to the life you want. Let's start small, stay consistent, and success will follow. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye.
Absolutely. That's such a great